it's Veronica here, and if you haven't been here before, as you probably haven't because I'm new, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do a review for you today. So everybody always says a steamer is essential to your wardrobe because it keeps your clothes nice and whatever. And frankly, I am not really a fan of ironing. So yeah, wanted to get a steamer for a while, and I went out now to get, and I'm gonna unbox it now, and we're gonna see what it looks like. It's the Philips Cleartouch Essence. Let's move the camera. There we go. There we go. It's been long overdue. Let's see if it's as great, and if every single fashion blogger who's like, essential thing to have is a steamer, is like telling the truth, you know? So yeah, let's open up this bad boy. It's very funny. I actually told myself if, yeah, that's someone's cat. I have no idea whose cat that is, but he's been coming to my flat for the past while chilling in my room. So yeah, I've made a friend. It's probably my neighbor's cat, but he's sweet. I like him. I told myself, let's start unboxing. I told myself that if I pass today's test, I'll buy myself a steamer that I've wanted for a while. And I did pass today's test actually really well. I got a nice mark. So treated myself. Let's see. So the Philips Cleartouch Essence Steamer. Philips. My mom loves Philips. Guess I'm very brand loyal. I don't know. She always buys their irons and all that stuff. So maybe that's why I went for this brand. Or maybe I don't, yeah, maybe, or maybe it's the fact that it says it's the #1 ironing brand. Something like that. I don't know. Cat. I'm doing a review. Okay, it's gone. Again, I have no idea whose cat that is. But I might just steal them eventually. So the Philips Cleartouch Essence one comes in a big box like this. It's quite big, and somebody had to help me carry it, which is fine. Like, no, everybody's always happy to help a girl carry stuff to her car, all that stuff. Comes with like little instructions or whatever there. It says you can add your own fragrance. I asked the guy in the shop what that meant. He says you can add perfume in. Now I don't know how true that is. These people sometimes say stuff that's very questionable. But I'll have to check on the manual for that. But I met Travis Fleming, as you can see. There's a photo of me with Travis Fleming. It was pretty cool. Anyways, back to the main attraction, the Philips steamer. I'm gonna start opening it. Big box. Here's the instructions and stuff. This is another book. Okay, where's the actual, okay, I don't know what this thing is. I'll demonstrate how to use it too if I can figure it out. Okay, there goes the box. Inside of the box, the actual steamer. Comes with a little hand thing. I'm guessing to protect your hand. These are probably the scented thingies or whatever. I don't know what this thing is. Let's open it. And don't know what that is. Probably the handle. Okay, there goes a piece of the box. There's another long thing. So yeah, this is, the cat likes the box. That's a good sign. The cat likes it, it must be a good sign. Okay, so we've got the steamer here. Oh, it's pretty and it's purple. It's very nice. I got, yeah, hold on. Yeah, Oh, it's very nice. Okay, yeah. It's in a teardrop type of shape, which is very nice. Considering the other ones I saw was like box-like and not very attractive. Out of all of them, this one, okay, the way it looks doesn't matter. The product you get, the way it steams is what matters the most, but out of all of them, this one looks the prettiest. Look, it looks the prettiest and the most futuristic. So yeah, that's one, I guess, plus, I don't know. So, I don't know. I think this is where you put your hanger, and then you probably close it. Whatever. Okay. Something. Got this thing. I don't know what it does. Oh no. Okay. And I got these little thingies. The actual steamer. I'm super excited to try out a steamer. I've never tried one physically myself. So I'm super excited. I'm sure this is a good intro one. I hope. But let's try and put this baby together. Y'all. Thing. Oh, what's the plastic? Oh no, there it is. It's still there. It's still there. And there's another silver thing. And let's see. That's the cat. Somebody's just broken it. Just quickly see. Here's the actual steamer. No plastic. No, nothing. It's the actual steamer. She's beautiful. She really is. But let's see, as pretty as she is, if she can heat it up. It's not my cat. I promise. They always say online that the best thing I could have bought was a steamer, and it's the best thing I could have paid for, like definitely my money's worth, all that jazz. Let's see if that's true. So they say there's the minimum. I don't know where the maximum is. So just add your water in there. Just gonna fill it up halfway, like that. The cat's back. It's not my cat. No, I've said it like a million times, but the thing isn't pretty sweet. So it should be around halfway. Okay, so let's put it in. Yes. fragrance. So I'm ready. I've added Elizabeth Arden's Red Door. Let's see if you can smell anything. Just maximize this. Great. So, there we go. Click in. As you can see, this shirt is super wrinkly. Super as in, I don't know what happened to it. Super duper wrinkly. Before I can use it, I should probably take the plastic off. Yes, I'll wait for it. I think it's ready. Let's see if it's ready. I'm going to take the arm like this. I'm going to steam. Oh! Okay. That's making weird sounds. Probably not ready. Okay. I'll leave you for a while. It's making weird sounds. I don't know why. It's making weird sounds. That didn't work really well, look. But let me just give you a close up. See that? I'm going to see if it can get rid of that. This shirt has been wrinkled for weeks. I haven't worn it because I don't know how an iron works. I've tried a million times. I have burned clothes. I have melted clothes. Not a fan. Still making any sounds. You think it's safe to use? Let's try it again. Okay. Just tilt it a bit so you can see that. Wow! It actually works. Look. This is absolutely. No way! See why they say it's essential. Look here. Holy shit. This thing looks amazing. Wow. Okay. This is very impressive. It's just very hard. I feel like you can bring yourself like that. Oh wow! Yo, it looks like a dream. Where has this thing been all my life? Ah, yes, it's off now. Look, compare it to what I showed you just now. Compare to that side. It is amazing. It took out the creases as if there was absolutely nothing. Wow. I mean, even the little pocket, okay, the pocket I didn't do that great. Even the sleeve, look at the sleeve. This is absolutely, it's amazing. Look at this. Look. No way, I never have to iron again. Holy wow. This is amazing. It's me, Veronica, again. I just showed you the Philips steamer, the Essence one, and I am very impressed. The only downside is though that, no, yes, not my cat, that I did spray perfume in, and I smelled my clothes. Didn't much smell like the perfume though. In fact, it just smelled like clothes. So yeah, maybe I'll try spraying more perfume in next time. Other than that, I'm very impressed with the steamer. Like, it took out the creases in like half a second. Not literally, very quickly. But yeah, totally recommend it. Like, if you want to get a steamer and don't know which brand to get the Philips one. It's amazing. Like, yeah, it's amazing. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please click the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll see you soon with some of my other reviews. Bye!